Single ladies, if you've ever been in a toxic relationship, it can be hard for you to believe that you can have a healthy, committed, thriving relationship. And here's the truth: if you've ever felt like you just couldn't believe that having a healthy relationship was possible for you, then this is for you. My name is Christina. I'm a love and relationship coach, and I help driven and ambitious women that have been in a toxic relationship heal, renew their trust and love, and attract a genuine partner for a committed and lasting relationship. In this quick video, I'm going to be sharing why the disbelief in yourself is sabotaging your love life, and it's really hurting your chances at meeting the right person. So for starters, let's be honest. If you don't believe in yourself, then you end up playing small. You limit yourself. You hold yourself back because there's this disbelief that anything good can come of it. And that's especially true for your relationships. You begin to settle for less, thinking, well, you know what? I don't deserve anymore. I don't get to have anymore. And that disbelief really keeps you in a state of you get what you believe you deserve. And if you believe you don't deserve more than what you've been getting, then you can see how that can easily lead to a cycle of settling for unhealthy, toxic relationships because you don't believe you deserve anything better. And I want to share with you that it's not true, especially if you've been in a toxic relationship and you've already overcome so much. I want you to realize what's possible for you if you did start believing in yourself. Now, when I work with my clients, I share with them my aligned love checklist, which really allows them to uncover those hidden disbeliefs in themselves and in the possibility of a healthy relationship. If you'd like a free copy of that checklist, drop me a comment below, drop me the word checklist, and I'll make sure that you get your free copy. But in essence, this checklist really allows you to uncover those hidden beliefs and hidden disbeliefs in yourself and the kind of relationship that you genuinely want. Now, I'll give you an example. How many of us have seen those couples online where one person is super fit, super toned, right, super buff, and the other partner is perhaps overweight, pudgy, right? Not fit. They don't look healthy. And the reality is that you might think to yourself, how did this even come together? How did this couple that seemingly seems like a mismatch, right? One is super fit and one is, seems like they're unhealthy. How did this match come together? And I want to share with you that this is the exact picture of what's possible for you when you believe, right? Now, I'll share with you one of my clients. When she came to me, she had this attraction for men that were super fit, super like dedicated to working out. She loved that and admired that in men, but her personally, that wasn't her thing. She just liked her man to be fit, right? So here's the thing. Growing up, she was teased by all the jocks at her school for being overweight. So she had subconsciously created this belief that, fit guys could never want an overweight girl. They could never be attracted to them. She felt like because of what she'd experienced and what she had gone through, that was the belief that was created, that fit guys didn't want chubby girls, chunky girls, thick girls, right? And what happened was she ended up settling in these relationships with guys that weren't an exact match for her. They weren't what she was really attracted to and what she really was craving in her love life, right? She wanted someone who was fit, who was about that gym life, right? Who did all the reps. So the reality was that when she came to me, she had this idea that she could never be with someone that she really wanted to be with because of this idea of that they would never want her. Now, clearly, that was a belief that we had to shift, that just because those guys or just because that experience had shown her one thing didn't mean that it wasn't possible for fit men to want, right, voluptuous women. And we clearly see that once again, right? Now we can see it on social media, and that there's all kinds of men that want all kinds of women, right? So we had to shift that belief so that she was no longer settling for guys that were scrawny, that weren't really the kind of men that she was into, right? Like those meatheads, those buff guys. And she really started to give herself permission to allow herself to create this new belief. Now, once again, when I work with my clients, I use an amazing tool, which is a checklist, the Aligned Love Checklist, that will really help you uncover those hidden beliefs that are holding you back, that are keeping you playing small, and that are not allowing you to fully enjoy the kind of love and the kind of relationship that you desire. So if you'd like to uncover those hidden beliefs that are keeping you from attracting the kind of person and the kind of relationship that you're wanting to have, I want you to drop me a comment below, drop the word checklist, and I'll make sure that you get a free copy of the Aligned Love Checklist, because the idea is that you get to have the kind of relationship that you want. And it starts with you. It starts with your belief. It starts with your available for. So remember to choose you, choose love, stay blessed, and comment below with the word checklist to get your free copy of the Aligned Love Checklist. Remember, choose you, choose love, and I'll see you soon. Bye.